Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. My name is Susan Zhang. Today we'll be looking at something totally different from what we have been learning in our previous classes. Today I want us to learn how to pronounce days of the week in English. The aim is to help us improve in our pronunciation of the days of the week. Now, here are the days of the week, and here to my right are the phonetic symbols of the words. The phonetic symbols of the words. Let's begin. This is Sunday, 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 Monday, 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 Tuesday, 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 Wednesday, 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 Thursday, 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 Friday, 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 and Saturday, Saturday, Saturday. Alright, thank you so much for participating in today's class. Do take time to practice and be able to pronounce your days of the week more appropriately. Thank you. I'll see you in our next class. Bye.